You can learn whatever you want to learn, you just got to apply yourself. Having made the investment and believing that I would be capable of utilizing the ShaperOrigin, I feel like it's given me like a fast forward button. My name's Oscar. I'm a union sprinkler fitter, a hobby woodworker, making furniture for kids. This is the pickler triangle that my wife asked me to make for our first daughter. I think this is the most sold thing that I do. So what my wife and I designed here is like a hinge within itself that can fold up, but then can open and be locked in place and not have any small hardware on it that the kid could choke on. When I first started making these, I was cutting them 100% with the ShaperOrigin. Once I moved into a larger space, I was able to make templates, and then all these long straight cuts, I was able to just do them on the table saw. And then I'll take the template, place it over the piece. I got my Forstner bit to get the holes drilled out. Same for the sides. Cut my wood dowels and I get to assembling. And then the nice thing about the templates is I can write on them. So I have little notes for what holes need to be passed throughs and which ones are not. And then I have my side A and side B on here. So that's definitely saved me on time, but I wouldn't have been able to cut that time in half if I didn't have the ShaperOrigin to make the template. And just the accuracy of it continuously making the same cut over and over and over is amazing, because being able to make money off these, being able to reinvest that money to get other tools has sped up the production by a lot. I can't recommend it enough. I use it all the time for projects, even when I don't think I need it. It's come in handy because, again, the tool has given me the capabilities of doing things that I just couldn't do before. Aside from my job, because this started off as a hobby. It still is a hobby, but I'm making money off of it now.